Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing this beautiful handmade crochet water bottle holder. It is lightweighted, durable and perfect for carrying your bottle comfortably. This stylish holder is great for travel, walks and everyday use. Let's make a close look at this handmade creation. For this project, we will need Tshirt yarn, a crochet hook. Here I am taking 6 mm hook, scissors and stitch marker. These basic material are enough to create a beautiful and durable crochet water bottle holder. First, make a slip knot and 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Then insert your hook into the first chain and work around the ring, turning it into a magic ring style. Center for the base of the water bottle holder. Round 1, work 1 double crochet and chain 2. 1 and 2. After completing chain 2, place a stitch marker in the stitch where you close the second loop of double crochet. Repeat the pattern 1 double crochet, then chain 2 5 more times around the magic ring. Continue working in a spiral without ending the round. Keep increasing in each round until you reach a total of 18 spaces. After completing this round, when you viewed from the top, you will see 18 stitches around the round. Count the stitch from the above to make sure your stitch count remains correct as you continue crocheting. Once you reach the stitch marker from the round 1, it means the first round is complete. For round 2, work into the next chain space after the marked stitch. Here we make 1 double crochet, then chain 2. Place the stitch marker in the stitch where second loop of double crochet is complete. This mark stitch will indicate the beginning of the round and help you keep track of your rounds while working in a continuous spiral. In same space we make double crochet and chain 2. Repeat the same pattern, 1 double crochet, chain 2, then 1 double crochet, chain 2. Repeat 4 more times in the remaining chain spaces. This will give you a total of 6 repeats around the round. Do not join or end the round. Continue working in a continuous spiral. Once you reach the stitch marker, round 2 is complete. For round 3, work into the next chain space after the marked stitch. Now we will start round 3. Make one double crochet, then chain 2. Here we mark where second loop of double crochet is completed. Now take the remaining yarn tail, the free loop apart from the working yarn, and weave it through the stitches using a plastic yarn needle. Secure it neatly inside the stitches to hide the end and give your project a clean finish. After weaving in the yarn tail, trim the excess yarn with scissors. Turn the side where you secured and hide the yarn tail to the inside of the bottle holder. This will give your project a neat and professional finish. From this point onwards, work one double crochet and chain 2 in each chain space around the round. Repeat this pattern a total of 12 times in every round. As soon as you reach the stitch marker, the current round is considered complete. Then begins the next round by working into the next chain space. After the making first double crochet in chain 2, then mark where double crochet second loop completed. Continue working one double crochet in chain 2 in each chain space, repeating the pattern a total of 12 times in every round. Repeat these rounds until round 9 or continue further according to the height of your bottle. At this stage, we have completed a total of 9 rounds. Now we start round 10. 2 single crochet in one space. Total we need 12 times. Here we mark first single crochet, then continue 2 single crochet in one space. Here round 10 almost complete. Here end of round 10, close with slip stitch as the first single crochet stitch in the same row. Now we will make strap of the bottle holder. We make chain stitches total of 50 numbers. Here total chain stitches 50 completed, then closing of strap, then we will make one single crochet at the opposite side and slip stitch next stitch. After completing this, cut the working yarn, pull the working yarn upward side, using a plastic needle, weave the remaining yarn tail through the stitches and secure it neatly. This will help finish the bottle holder and prevent the yarn from unraveling. After weaving in the yarn tail, trim any excess yarn with scissors. Adjust the bottle holder to match the shape and size of your bottle for a neat finish. Then remove the stitch marker. Your handmade crochet water bottle is then completed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more crochet project and creative idea. Thank you for watching.